Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be checking out the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So this is the latest from GoPro. I thought I'd get one of these for flying. That's my main reason for getting it. I recently started flight training and I want to record what I'm doing. So that's where this is going.
Clear prep.
So we're just going to do an unboxing. I'm not really going to be turning it on and going through all those things. I've never had one, so that's kind of pointless, me trying to tell you how cool GoPro Heroes are when I've never had one before, but we can actually look at what's in the box. I also got this adventure kit as well, and while this did come with previous GoPros, the fittings on here work with the standard fittings with a GoPro because a few things have changed with the Hero 9. So anyway, let's have a look at opening this. So to open this, we'll just have a quick look. You can see what's on the side here. I mean, this does up to 5K recording, does photos. It's got touchscreen. It's got a screen front and back. It does slow-mo. It's waterproof. It's got a pretty cool set of features. So pretty exciting. We can check that out. On the back, obviously, you've got the GoPro app that goes with it. And then what actually comes in this box is the connector, a little mounting pad, the mounting connector, the thumb screw, the battery, and the actual GoPro itself. So to open these, you actually do it from the bottom here. So we just want to tear this off here at the bottom. That worked well. So we can just open this from the bottom here. Now I'm actually using my old webcam for this because I don't have a really good camera. This is actually going to be the new good camera. So it comes in a nice case. That's pretty impressive. So we'll actually unzip this. We'll open that up. It's got some paperwork in here. You know, just your standard things. Subscribe. I guess what to do. Just some steps, how to open it up, and some legal stuff, so we're not going to worry about that. We'll just stick that back in there. Then it actually has, this is the charging cable that comes with it, the new GoPro batteries that come with the Hero 9 because they've changed. Doesn't really matter to me because I've never had one, so it's all good. The connecting adapter that comes with it. Yeah, this is the actual mounting with some 3M tape or whatever on the bottom. I don't think the rental airplane owner would actually like that if I was to do that. And the thumb screw. And here we have the GoPro itself wrapped up, all nice. It's about the size, I guess, that I was expecting, but really cool that they've got front-facing cameras, and then you've got your little cardboard here, which you can take out and recycle, or you can leave it in here as, you know, to keep everything nice and neat. So I'll probably just leave mine in there. So that's kind of all that's in there. That's it. That's basically what's in here. So I won't bother taking off the plastic right now. I'll just leave that in there. So that's all really that's in this container. So we'll just hopefully that's not too loud. Failing. Anyway, that's that. Let's open the adventure kit. Okay, we're ready. We'll unzip this. Open that up. So this has like a clip mount. You can connect to a hat, you know, the back of a hat, or I guess the peak of your hat, or a belt clip or something. So that'll be interesting to see where that could be used. It also has this handle that you can put a base in, and this floats. So if you want to use it in water, it's also got a wrist strap, which is kind of cool. Another thumb screw. Some sort of little Velcro strap. I'm not sure what that's for, but there you go. And this is pretty much why I got it. It was more for this head strap. for flying. So I can stick this on my head. It's got some little grips on the back here that are kind of grippy. Connect it to here. Stick this thing on your head. Put my aviation headset over the top of it. And should be good to go. So I'm actually going to go flying tomorrow. I might try this out. So there you go. That's everything. That's everything that you get in these 2 containers. Short and sweet. Stick around. You might see some flying videos coming soon. And that was it. That's the GoPro Hero 9. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.